Create a square file with a white background. My file is 1080 by 1080 pixels. Go to View, Guides, New Guide Layout. Create 2 columns and 2 rows. The gutter should be 0 pixels. Select the pen tool. Select Shape. Make the fill color black. And select No Color for the stroke. Create a shape like this. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the shape. Then press Ctrl+T. Right-click on the shape and select Flip Horizontal. Place the shape on the bottom right. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the shape again. Then press Ctrl+T. Place the shape on the top right. Go to Edit. Define Pattern. You can now delete all the shape layers. Create a pattern layer. Select the pattern you just made. Then adjust the scale. Create a gradient map layer. Adjust the colors of the gradient to change the colors of the pattern. And that's how you create this chevron pattern.